Hi, I'm Jason Barnard from Kalicube, and today I'm looking at due diligence on people using AI. In this case, Gemini Advanced 1.5 Pro with deep research. So I asked it for due diligence on myself, and it came up with this plan: research websites. There you go. All of this stuff. Then analyze the results, then create a report. And this is the report it created, and it's stunning. Look at this. Reception impact, powering digital brand intelligence. This is a term I use, and it's basically spitting out what I said. Kalicube services, it's absolutely understood exactly what we do. The resources that we have available, Kalicube's clientele is exactly right, including mentions of companies that I've worked with in the past: Disney, Ahrefs, Hewlett Packard, ITV Studios, Yoast, NTTT. And this is all information that I have provided through my different websites. So you'll notice it's not my actual website, it's my corporate website and my podcast website. So I'm able to influence very, very strongly Gemini Advanced in its due diligence on me through my own information that I've been providing here. And this, once again, is from websites I control or people I know over here. In fact, my own website there. Speaking engagements, what I talk about, publications, social media, reviews and testimonials. And this is huge. And this is the future. This is how we're going to do due diligence on people. Speculation on future trends in brand SERP management, my potential role in that. It's even guessing or suggesting how I might be if a market leader in brand SERPs in the future, down to my book. And the conclusion of this, 53 websites it's researched to find that. The majority are mine or controlled by me or semi-controlled by me. That won't always be the case. Then I thought I would look at some other people. For example, here, another SEO, Olga Zarr. It doesn't have enough information about her in order to do that due diligence. Then Scott Turman, somebody who helped me with the book, a business partner of mine who we work with in helping him build his personal brand. And once again, we got that due diligence report, not quite as complete as mine, but not far off, and very, very, very accurate. He's been looking after his personal brand and making sure that the information is available to the machines for several years with us. And once again, it's very, very accurate, very convincing, very positive. So due diligence using AI, or agential AI in this particular case, is the future. And controlling what the AI thinks about you is going to control, heavily influence what people see when they're researching you using AI. And don't believe they won't. That is the future of due diligence on people and corporations. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon. Oh, and by the way, at Kalicube, this is exactly what we do for our clients. We help entrepreneurs, CEOs, founders manage their personal brand in AI and in search. We also help them with their corporations, managing the brand narrative of the corporation in search and AI. If you'd like our help, please do reach out and we'd be delighted to help you. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.